Check the tools you should bring with: electric drilling with crosshead, 5 mm, 8 mm, and 10 mm drill bit, Phillips head screwdriver, tape measure, angle square, level ruler or laser level, circular saw, clamps, rubber mallet, pencil and cutter knife, stud finder. Check the goods on site with the design drawing and packing list. Check the cabinets for damage. Verify the cabinets are indeed the correct style. Match code and quantity of all units to the plan. Check that functional accessories are installed in the cabinets. If not, identify their packages. Use tape measure to check wall dimensions are sufficient for kitchen plan. Use the level to survey wall and ground. Uneven surface will bring difficulties while installing. Mark the highest point of floor on the wall. Locate the studs with a stud finder. Mark plumb lines at each stud location. Remove all door panels from cabinets and place properly. From the highest level mark on the wall, measure up 34 3/4 inches height from ground. Mark a horizontal line as height reference. If there is one, always start with the corner cabinet. After placing it into position, adjust the feet to level with reference line. Align the second cabinet next to the first one. Adjust it level. Drill pilot holes interior of side panel. Drill them beneath hardware place if possible. Use clamps to keep front edges are flush and fasten cabinets securely together with 30 mm screws. If capable, several cabinets can be attached together before fasten with installed ones. If there are any tall cabinets, use the bottom panel as leveling reference. Install the end panels and fillers. When installing profile fillers, set the sub-filler panel flush with finishing filler panel. Fasten them together with 30 mm screws. Drill pilot holes interior of side panel. Drill them beneath hardware location if possible. Fasten the fillers to side panel with screws. Install wall cabinets after all base cabinets are installed. Draw a horizontal line on the wall according to kitchen plan. If possible, screw a straight panel on the wall aligning to the line. Similar to base cabinets, always start with corner cabinet when you have one. Pre-drill the screw on the back panel. Keep the distance within 60 mm to all sides. Screw the cabinet on the stud position. Just like the base cabinet, install the wall cabinets one by one. Connect them together with screws. Install handles with a piece of template. The template can be easily made by a thin panel. Be careful, even the most experienced installer makes mistakes of handle position. Install the door and drawer back to the cabinets. Adjust door position to precision alignment. Remove the cover cap if present. Turn the adjust screw to make all gap between doors to be even. Carefully measure and cut the required toe kick length. First attach mounting clips on the cabinet feet. Then attach the square clips overleaf of the toe kick board. Push the toe kick board to the cabinet feet carefully. Adjust the position to perfection. Check every cabinet interior. Wipe the dust out. Cover the screw top with white stickers. Put the small triangle in the corner. Stick bumpers on rear corner of every door. Last but not least, don't forget to take the trash out of the kitchen.